Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Now if we do first derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now we have this one. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus number 6 lambda e to the power of lambda s. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we need to find the solutions of this one. So we can do about factorization by lambda. Now we need to find the solutions, and we have lambda equals to number 0, lambda equal to negative number 6, and now we have y equal to yc. So we have c number 1 e to the power of 0s. So this one we have number 1, and now we just simplify c number 1. The next one we have the c number 2, that is about the constant number 2 e to the power of negative 6s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.